The health of your colon can affect the entirety of your digestive system. If your colon is working properly, you will be stronger and feel better to fight the disease. How to keep your colon healthy. 1. Consume a high-fiber diet. Consuming 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day is an important part of maintaining a healthy colon, as fiber increases feelings of fullness and promotes regular bowel movements. By keeping things moving through the colon, you'll reduce the chances of developing the colon-related disease. Some great sources of fiber include nuts, seeds, berries, lentils, beans, broccoli, carrots, apples, pears, and peas. Aim to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. 2. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Diets that incorporate ample fruits, vegetables, and whole grains have been linked to a decreased risk of colon cancer. This is in part due to the nutrients and antioxidants that are present in these foods, the high fiber content, as well as the correlation between diet and weight and colon-related illness. 3. Limit red meat and processed foods. Red meat and highly processed foods are full of saturated fat, which has been associated with an increased risk of colon cancer. Oftentimes, the preparation of red meat is done in a way that produces carcinogens. 4. Drink enough water. When you're not properly hydrated, toxins can build up in your body. Drinking 8 or more glasses of water a day can help move toxins and excrement through your colon more quickly. Keeping track of how much water you're drinking or setting water goals throughout the day can help you stay hydrated. 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can encourage more consistent bowel movements. The increase in blood flow and circulation makes your GI system more effective overall. Studies have shown that exercise, especially more rigorous forms, can greatly reduce the risk of developing some digestive disturbances. 6. Colonoscopies. It's recommended that you start getting colonoscopies at 50 years old. The polyps and abnormalities that lead to colon cancer can be removed to stop the development or spread of the disease, making colon cancer a highly treatable disease if found early on. For individuals whose immediate family member has been diagnosed with colon cancer or polyps, it is recommended that you start getting colonoscopies at age 40 or 10 years before the diagnosis of your family member. Even though there are more options for screening for colon cancer, a colonoscopy is a gold standard because it not only detects colon cancer but also finds and removes polyps that are the precursors of colon cancer.